Hi and welcome to California Time. Today we're going to be doing a quick video about how to stop your awning blowing up and flipping over your van when it gets windy. Stay tuned to find out how we do it. So one of the first things that we bought for our first California was this kit. It's a set of tie-down straps for this awning, because what people don't tell you is with one of these, if the wind blows and gusts underneath it, these legs can come off the floor and then the whole thing can bend and twist your awning out of shape. So what these straps do, they're quite good. So you open them out and on one end there's a kind of bent bit of metal which you put up the top here, you hook it in like that, and you've got these straps which come down. On the end it's just got a triangle which you put a spring through. That's a kind of a strap which you can pull through there, and then they give you these metal stakes. So what you do with the metal stake is you put it just slightly wider than the van. You need to put it in so it's at an angle. You can see that those are bent. Put it into the ground so it's at an angle, so this pulls against it. I'm not going to put them fully in for this, but you'll get the idea. So you hook the spring in like that, you then hook that round, and then all you do with this is you just tension it up, put some tension on it like that, make sure it's nice and firm. You can make sure that you've put a bit of tension in the spring, and you do that on both sides. And what that does, that strap holds these legs down against the ground. So if you get a gust of wind now, although I've put a peg in down at the bottom here, this will hold it a lot tighter. And you can imagine with that right down at the bottom, that's a really good long anchor for this to be held against. So definitely worthwhile. I'm just going to sort the other one out now. So these are the main components that you get as part of this kit. You get a couple of big ground spikes that you can see there, couple of heavy duty springs, and these couple of straps. So you can see the connector for the top of the leg for the awning, and then you've just got a nice buckle on here with a sprung loaded clip that you can pull the strapping through, and it also comes with a bag as well. This is the fuel set. There's loads of different makes which do these. I think Fiamma do a set as well. I think we paid £24 for this set. Absolutely well worth it. We store these together just like that, wrap them with a bit of the kind of rubbery stuff, put them in the drawer underneath. We keep the rest of the straps in the cupboard at the back here. Nice and simple. So hopefully you found this video quick, helpful and informative. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for some more California Time.